Hi guys, we will discuss in this video alveoli and gas exchange. Alveoli are an important part of the respiratory system whose function is to exchange oxygen and carbon dioxide molecules to and from the bloodstream. These tiny balloon-shaped air sacs arranged that are arranged in clusters throughout the lungs and are situated or located at the very end of the respiratory tree. So to understand better, respiratory tract starting with nose, pharynx, larynx, trachea, bifurcation at the carina, and below uh, bronchials. And even lower you see these alveoli. They are representing the anatomical unit of the pulmonary system. And how about lungs? We have lungs divided in three portions: upper or apex, middle, and lower or base of the lungs. So largest alveoli are at the pulmonary apex. Smallest are or tend to be at the base. And in the middle section are of middle size. Diameter of the alveolus is thought to be from 0.05 to 0.33 millimeters, and each alveolus is in close contact with a network of pulmonary capillaries. The alveoli are only one cell thick and allows a relatively easy passage of the oxygen and carbon dioxide between the alveoli and blood vessel called capillaries. So lung contains millions of alveoli. An important fact I want to tell you that capillaries that coming to the alveoli are filled with venous blood and exiting arterial blood or full in oxygen. How many types does contain alveoli? Two main types contain type 1 and type 2, also many immune cells. So type 1 pneumocytes are the cells that are responsible for the exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide. As well, they are responding for secretion of mucus. Secretion of mucus. Instead, type 2 pneumocytes perform two important functions. They are responsible for repairing of the damaged alveoli and also secreting surfactant, which promote stabilization of the alveoli. For example, if this alveoli is small and the second one adjacent is big, so surfactant permitting the pressure to be like the same between these two alveoli in times that here pressure without surfactant should be higher and it will tend to collapse. And what is the most important function of the alveoli? Is diffusion of gases or diffusion of oxygen from alveoli to capillaries that occur because of the concentration of oxygen is lower in the capillaries. Similarly with carbon dioxide. By other words, pressure, for example, of carbon dioxide inside the alveoli is around 40, in times that in a capillary, which is venous blood, is 47. And this difference is around 7 millimeter of mercury. So This does represent a gradient and a low passage of the carbon dioxide from the bloodstream in the capillary, as well as with oxygen, which there is a difference in pressures and diffusion of oxygen from the alveoli in the capillary. Have a great time and study hard, guys.